Anda. Di, ambil. Hello everybody, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Those who don't know, this is Samdan Borgari. Today this video is created from my village. Okay, it has been raining since yesterday, then rain did not stop. So when there is a continuous rain, then what happens in our area, the rivers which are nearby to us gets flood. The water level rise up very high and erosion also takes place. So that is what I'm going to show you today. So follow me, okay?
But I don't know, okay, whether flood is there or erosion is taking place or not. People are catching fish or not. Still, let's go and see.
It's been raining, still it is raining, so I cannot go with any motorbike or any vehicle. So I'm walking. It is not far from my house, so I'm walking till there. It is around just 3 to 4 kilometers. Continue watching. Nailang Bacha.
And on the way here, I met one friend. This guy cannot speak, but I'll try to interact with him, okay? You see, he is my neighbor. His name is Lotla. And I remember this selfie with him.
Mới thằng ai lên? Thằng à? Ở đây, nào mà thử. Mỗi. Ở đây. Một số lấy nữa nào mà thử. Một số. Để lấy nữa. Khám sao anh khám? Sao vậy? Mang cream mang cream. Cream mang. Oma. Để. Thằng đây đấy. Thằng nữa. Đây. Ở đây hơn. Bay hơn. Giá khơi. Bay hơn. Bay hơn. Đây thằng nữa.
Okay, let's go. Ayo, I thought it was a snake, man. It is earthworm. This season they are found here and there. What to do? And these people are busy preparing their land. You can see.
There he comes, my brother, Samkar Basumatari. Say hi. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Actually, I called him to help me out today for this video.
And hello everybody, those who do not know what are the equipments which I use to make videos for you, to capture videos for you, today I am going to show you. I capture my videos with this mobile S1 Plus 7. You can see this is the cover of my mobile, and this is the mobile. Then along with that I use one thing that I'm going to show you. See here.
It is called gimbal also.
So this is what I use for stabilizing the video. Video ko download dono थाखाय आं बेखौ बाहायो आरोखि मोजां नुनायनि थाखाय. This is Osmo Mobile 2 from DJI. Okay. So these are the things which I use to capture videos. Okay. Okay, then let's go and capture some videos for you. Come, follow me. My umbrella is ladies' umbrella, red color. My dress with izar. My chapel, very old man. Here, already tuta.
What to do? Poor guy. Let's go. But this dress is comfortable. Chalo.
The jungle started here. We are almost reaching, just half kilometer away. So follow me. Yeah, we are walking now. Already getting tired little bit. After long time we are walking today. We are going on foot. sitting here, you can see what I brought for our refreshment in this Taklai River. You can see. Oh, what chips! Chips, aloo chips, potato chips, simply salted. This is simple one. So we are going to eat now. Oh, chips. Well, consider river result. Again, we will try to show you. Some people catching fish. Some people are fishing that side.
And you can see here one uncle is still fishing there.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah.
Hello.
He got some small fish he got.
Ma, you tuna. No palakwa. Hey. Sudah deh. Nah ini, dasar pigeon di nolai. Solo nuôi nè, thổ chung lại nè.
Khanda ke jana mah ne palakwa. Te sudah deh. And this is the trapping net which is commonly used in our area when flood occurs. So it is very easy to make also. Just get 2 bamboos, buy the net from the market, tie them up, then it is ready. Now you can see how it is used. Actually there is no flooding and it is good for us, otherwise there could have been loads of erosion and destruction to our villagers, their land, property and etc. Asolote bana jayakhai nongabla खहा जागौमोन जों गासैबो गामियारिफोरनि थाखाय.
So thank you so much for watching this video. With this video came to an end, and bye bye till the next video. Bye bye.